Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can share large files while via online on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Chrome browser. Then you have to search a phrase called Toffee Share. You have to search for this. Then you will find a website called Toffee Share, just like this. You have to go to on this website. After going to this website, you can see here is a bunch of options. You can transfer files through this website via very securely, and this is end-to-end encrypted, so your data is safe here. So after landing on this, you have to click on select files. Then you have to click on media picker to send the file from your mobile phone. Then you have to select the file that you wanna share via this website. Then the website will make you a link that you can share or copy. You can see here there is the share option. You have to click on share. Then you have to click on copy. Then you can send this link to anyone that they want to download this file. Please guys, make sure you are on the online and on this page while they are downloading from this file, so the download will be very fast on this process. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.